So with all the West Indies players currently in Sri Lanka having passed the yo-yo test, we assume they're all as fit as fiddles. According to Cricket West Indies and all the supporters of the fitness theory, the fitter batsmen will make more runs, the fitter bowlers will take more wickets, and the fitter fielders will take more catches and execute more runouts. So it is reasonable to expect that the fitter overall West Indies team will be getting much better results. Starting with this Sri Lanka series, according to the fitness theory. I mean, the bad eggs such as Evan Lewis and Shimron Hetmyer and even Chris Gale are not in the team because they're not fit. While the likes of Sunil Ambrose, Ruston Chase, Brandon King, Darren Bravo et al. All pass the yo-yo test. So make we see how far the fitness will take them. I mean, if the fitter West Indies don't just win the Sri Lanka series, but continue to win consistently, then the fitness is the boss, and it would be the technical skills that would be overrated. So all those hours that the West Indian batsmen spend in the nets and in the middle playing shots after shots and doing technical batting drills, them are wasting time. They need to replace those technical batting drills with more fitness exercises. Yeah, man, more gym, more weights, more laps, more running, more hill training. Fitness, fitness, fitness!